How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time, we only got one ticket here. We got one of the 230 million cash explosion ticket from the Arizona Lottery. Now, these ones here, we have the overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of 2.5 million. The reason we only have one ticket, it was the last ticket we could get. We tried getting two. They only had one, so we went ahead and just got the one. So we're going to need some help on those odds. As always, on this one here, we're looking for that money bag symbol to win $100 instantly, or that 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. All right, guys, let's get into it. Get scratching and get some wins. Let's see. We are looking for 26, 32, 28, 8, 15, 41, 34. Start out with a 23, 7, 25, 31, 12, 16, 37, 10, 9, 34. We got a match on 34. We beat the odds. All right, guys. Let's hope we get some more to go along with that 34. 14, 33, 28. We do. We get a 28 here. 45, 5, 42, 39, 27, 30, 35, 15. We get a match on 15. 4. There's my lucky 44. Not on this one. 21. 13. So it looks like we got 3 matches here. Hopefully we can get something big here. Let's go ahead and see what we got under 34. We got $5 there. There we go. We got $15 and 15 here. Another 5. So we got $20 back. All right. We'll take it. We broke even. As always, guys, if you would help out the channel, give this one a thumbs up. If you have not before, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you on the next one.